Alright, we got another Csx train is coming. Headed towards eastbound Fairmont sub. So let's check it out. Here we go. There she is. Alright, we got the Csx L158 eastbound local freight train. Headed towards the headed towards the eastbound, past the Love Ridge mine, operated by the Norfolk Southern, heading east to the Fairmont sub in downtown. Let's check it out. Here we go. Wow, excellent. That was pretty impressive, man. Similar train to Csx L158-05, eastbound local freight train, headed towards the works in headed towards Morgantown, downtown Fairmont. So this is Josh, right in the local Central West Virginia way up in, and we are out.